Hi everybody, welcome to Jane's Sweet Treats tutorial on brown bread making. So I've decided today that I will post this little video to show you how to make brown bread, and it's very simple, and since most of us can't go to the shop, it will be only once a week, that if you had all your ingredients brought in, you would be well able to make your own bread. So it's very simple. So all we need is some self-raising flour, some wholemeal flour. So if you're just making one cake, I'm making 3 cakes today, but if you're only making one cake, you need 8 ounces of self-raising flour, 8 ounces of brown flour, a teaspoon of bread soda, sieved. I use some wheat germ as well, buttermilk, some salt, and 2 eggs, and a little bit of honey to give it a bit of sweetness. So what you do is you get your flour. So I have this weighed out for 3, but there's you could have 8 ounces of flour, right? And then you get your brown flour and you measure it out, okay? Now, if you don't have the wheat germ, you don't have to use it. You can do it out. So I'll just use 2 spoons of this. Actually, it's wheat brown, not wheat germ. So, and it's the odd lumps one, but you can use any of them that you have, okay? So just mix all your ingredients. So we get our teaspoon. Now it's better to sieve the bread soda, because if you don't sieve the bread soda, there can be little circles in the bread soda, and sometimes they don't, you might get a clump of bread soda, and then that wouldn't taste very nice. So you just mix the 2 of these together, okay? Now bread is very easy to do. So just get your spoon, mix all your dry ingredients together, just incorporate it well, because you want to mix it all up the way it'll all mix up, right? Okay, so that's fine like that, okay? So you get your honey. Now for 1 loaf of bread, okay, so just squirt honey, okay? For 1 loaf of bread you can use 500 millilitres, which is half a pint of this milk. So what I do is I just pour in the milk. Obviously you should measure it first. Crack in your eggs. So 1 egg for 1 loaf. Okay, so add in your eggs. Okay. Now you can always add more milk, but it says on, actually tells you inside the carton what to use. So 500 millilitres. And then you just get your spoon and you give it a good workout. You incorporate it all in together. You mix your eggs, your flour. Actually, I think I forgot to add the salt. So you add the salt, just a little shake of salt. Obviously, like the honey, you don't have to add the salt. You could just use the wholemeal flour, the self-raising flour, the bread soda, and the buttermilk, and an egg. That's pretty perfect. And the good thing about this is it's actually very cheap to make, because flour is, I know it's kind of hard to get at the moment. Seemingly Harry told me that everybody was buying it because they're making Play-Doh. I thought they were all making cakes. Seemingly they're all making Play-Doh. So you just mix that all together then, right? Mix. Until you get it all mixed perfectly together. And then I have my trays pre-lined. So you just mix it. I just need to bend over a little bit. And I wear gloves now. I wear gloves all the time doing my cooking because it's much easier. Obviously, it's the way to go with our COVID-19. But this is just one way to... It's a lot more hygienic anyway, obviously. But you obviously wash your hands first before you start doing it. Okay, so you just mix it all together. Obviously, it wouldn't be as hard to mix it up because you're only doing 1 loaf. But a carton of this milk costs 79 cents. So that now is the Aldi one, but obviously you can get even more. If you can't get Clonmel, they have it in the shop. I know they have it feathered. So you can get it there. But I think that might be £1 something. But still, it's very cheap because 1 carton will do 2 loaves. So here we go. So we just come over this side. So you get your spoon. Now I should have a bigger spoon. I think it's in the dishwasher. So we just load up your loaf of bread. No need to knead or anything. Okay, so just load it up. Now, I'm sure some people will be cursing me because I'm not kneading, but that's the way we do it. And in my oven, I can cook 3 at one time. So you see the mix? I have Harry on the camera. And Emily May is my stage woman, my producer, my assistant, like your Harry. So we're going to post a few videos like when we're cooking, because I think it's good, because everybody's able to cook. People think they can't cook, but it's actually very easy. So this bread I make now, I supply to the shop in Clooneen. But obviously if anybody wants some, I can make some. And, or even better, make it yourself. Get the kids involved, get them doing the washing up. Very, very easy. So you just spoon it all in here like this. And then you bake it at 200 degrees for 40 minutes. Maybe 180, between 180 and 200 degrees. But I find the secret is to have the oven heated up for a good while before. My oven kind of takes forever to heat up. So just to have it well heated before you start. Okay? Because then you're popping it into a nice warm oven. Okay? So we just go over now, and I'll take out the ones that we've got already cooked. It should be ready. Okay. So just leave those like that. You can put little crosses on them if you want to. You can also put some like wheat bran on top of it if you want. You do what you like. You can put your nuts, your seeds, your porridge, anything you like at this stage, okay? So we come over here, so we'll have to learn as we go along. So here we are in our oven. Our first 3, and they're beautifully cooked. Okay, and how you know they're cooked is that they have a hollow. They'll have a hollow taste, or they'll have a hollow feel at the end of it. That's how you know. Okay, so we'll just slip this out. Change our gloves. It's like hot. So just slip it out of this, okay? And that's nice and crisp. So they're done. So that's how you make brown bread. So if you tune in again later, we might make some biscuit cake. Okay, thank you.